Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my ultralight get-home bag cook kit. Alright everybody, welcome back. So this is something I've been working on for a while. With a get-home bag as opposed to a bug-out bag, you're probably not going to be stopping and doing huge cooking where you'll need pans and stoves. So this is something really quick to maybe boil some water for a Mountain House entree, or even just boil some water for some coffee, or even boil some water to purify it. So pretty much this whole kit revolves around boiling water. Let me take it apart for you and show you. You'll notice here I've got some rubber bands on here. I'm probably going to upgrade to Ranger bands eventually, but rubber bands work for its intended purpose. And I put this together, gosh, a couple months ago, and I wanted to show everybody just how light you can make a cook kit that can really be useful. But also too, like I said, when you're using this in a get-home bag, say you work and you take this bag every day to work, you don't want a bunch of stoves and propane bottles and all that. So this is the whole thing. Alright, inside here you'll notice I have some paper towels. That's really just to keep the rattling down. We've got matches. I've got a small little wooden spoon that I made. I made it too long and I did have to cut off the end because it was sticking up, but this is perfect for this. If you have to stir anything, again, you're not going to be doing major cooking. So maybe I have to stir an instant coffee into the pot or whatever. Real simple, real lightweight. And in here I have the actual burner. Now I do have alcohol that I keep in this. This is a little Alox alcohol stove. It's never leaked on me. I can, show you right here. It's on there tight. Nothing's coming out. So it's never leaked on me, never given me any problem. I keep it fairly full. Now, if you're worried about keeping just that little bit of alcohol in there and you want a little extra, no reason you can't put one of those in there with some alcohol in it. Real simple. So, that's the stove. Now, we're going to go over here. I'm going to take this off. Oh, sure, now I spill the alcohol. And I'm going to show you something really cool. Now, for a pot stand for this, what I used to have here, what I used before, and show you this, this is a German military stove, and it's got gel alcohol in it. And this little deal sits on top here, and you can cook. Well, I'm not going to use that all that much, so I figured it's far more useful on something like that. And there's my pot stand. Real simple. I did have to bend it in a little. You'll notice it's kind of moved together a little bit. And it's a little tweaked there, so let me fix that. There we go. Anyway, real simple thing. You put your pot on top, you light it, and you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil some water, and I'm going to show you how quickly this will work. Let me get it all set up and get something under this, and we'll show you how that goes. Now, in my rush here to do this video quickly today, I forgot to tell you the most important part. This is a Keith Titanium 650 milliliter cup. This thing is super, super light, and I do have some water in there because I measured out 1 cup, and that is what we are going to use. And when we're done with this video, I'll weigh the whole kit for you. I'm just going to do a burn test. We're going to time it and see how long it takes to boil 1 cup of water. There we go. That's going. I have my lid here. And let me get my timer going here. And we will start it when I put it on there. It's not fully bloomed yet, but we'll start it anyway. Let's see how long this takes. Shouldn't be too long. It is an alcohol stove. It's not going to be super fast. But let's see how this works. Alright, so I'm starting to hear it boil. And it is boiling. There is a rolling boil in there. You can see that. We're at 4 minutes about. Let me put this back down and show you. I just stopped the stopwatch there. 4 minutes and we got us a rolling boil. And the handles are nice and cool. So I'm going to take that off. Take this stand off here. And snuff that. And I'll let it cool down. And once it's all cooled down, we're going to weigh it for you and show you how much it weighs. Alright, it's all cooled off. Everything's good. I dried it all off. One of the nice things about using denatured alcohol, by the way, is no soot on the pan. So that's kind of cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack it up and show you how I pack it up. From here on out, it's pretty simple. Lost my little thing there. I have refilled this with rubbing alcohol. I don't know if you can see in there, but it is refilled. Cover that up nice and tight. Put the snuffer cap on. Put this on top. Like that. Now, one of the things I do so it doesn't make a whole lot of noise in there and jingle around, is I just wrap it up with some paper towels. Also, if by some chance the alcohol does leak, this will catch it and not make too much of a mess in there. I'm going to put my wood spoon in, fit it in there. I'll take the matches, put them in there, take the lid, put it back on, close it up, and I just put these across, kind of an X-shaped pattern, across the top and sides, like that, and like that. Get them flat, and there you go. That's your kit. Now, let's weigh it real quick, and then we'll get this video over with for you. Zero it out, and there you go. It is 0.9, let me see if you can see that. 9.59 ounces. So for under 10 ounces, you got yourself an amazing little lightweight cook kit. And I mean, it just feels so light, it feels like there's nothing to it. So definitely a cool little idea, a way to lighten the load in your get-home bags, even your bug-out bag. I mean, let's face it, when you're bugging out, you're not going to be stopping to make whole, huge meals. This would work perfectly with an ample supply of backup alcohol for, your bug-out bag. If you plan to just make Mountain House in there and freeze-dried stuff, I mean, what more do you need than boiled water? Pretty simple. And like I said, if you want to carry extra alcohol in a small container, one of these little guys will be perfect. I don't know what this is. This came with this came with one of my Optimus stoves to prime it, and I already had 3 of them, so that's more than enough. Stick it in there, not much more weight to fill it up with alcohol. So that's with the alcohol in it. If you carry the alcohol separately, it's even going to be lighter. So anyway, that is my lightweight get-home bag cook kit. Generally the bag I take when I'm going on a trip overnight to Vegas, or if I'm going out to somewhere on a vacation, this will be the bag I take to get home with. Like I said, you're not going to be cooking huge meals, so something like this is awesome. Make yourself a quick cup of coffee, maybe some soups. It would work for the Knorr soups, do that real quick. So that's a really neat little lightweight kit, and I've kind of been working on this for a while. I figured I'd show it to you. So anyway, thank you for watching, folks. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will leave a link to this Keith Titanium mug in there. This is an awesome little lightweight mug. The Trangia stoves, they're all over my store. You can just click that link and find them there. They're really easy to find. This little German military stove, it's in my store, I believe, but if not, just ask. I'll show you where it is on Amazon. It's very simple. It comes with the little thing that we use as a pot stand in there. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our Amazon store down below. Most of the products I review are in that store. Don't forget to check out our preparewithiridium.com. That is our link for the Food for Patriots deal we're running right now. We got an awesome deal going on that. Don't forget to check out our Thrive Life link as well if you're looking to get some freeze-dried food. Thank you for watching, folks. Stay safe and stay prepared.